solve some independent variable or differential equations with initial conditions. So like dy dx plus xy squared with y of 1 equals 1. All right. So this is a separable differential equation. But remember, when we're separating the variables, we need everything with a y in it to be multiplied by dy. Everything with an x in it to be multiplied by dx. And right now, that's not the case. So I'm first going to subtract xy squared from both sides. So I will get that dy dx is equal to negative xy squared. Because now, when I divide by y squared and multiply by dx, everything will be multiplied by the appropriate, I don't really know what to call those. D variables. Is everybody cool with that? It's just some algebra, but maybe the motivation for it isn't clear. Is that okay? Right. So now we'll integrate both sides. This will be y to the negative first times negative 1 equals negative x to the negative second, or to the second, not negative second, over 2 plus c so negative 1 over y is equal to negative x squared over 2 plus c. And now I'll plug in my initial condition when x equals 1, y equals 1. So negative 1 equals negative 1/2 plus c. So c equals negative 1/2. Sorry that my writing is inconsistently sized. So when I plug in the negative 1/2 for c, I'll get this guy. And now I should solve for y, since it's not particularly difficult to do so. So y is equal to negative 1 over negative x squared over 2 minus 1/2. And some of you may have done it slightly differently and gotten this instead, but they're the same. So I'm only putting those 3 in there so that if you are practicing tonight and get a different form, you'll see that they're all the same. Just depends on when you simplified what. Okay? Is that good?